Now, every idea is like a flip of a coin. It might or it might not work out. You never know. How do you not be regretful about anything is to just do it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm making my own app and solving a very simple problem of hydration. I actually forget to drink a lot of water, and that's exactly what I'm solving. So this will be an interesting take. This will actually help you build the habit of drinking water. For now, let's get started and let me show you the progress of my app. So let's open up my app. I know it's called Mizu. I might be changing the name in the future, but let's see where it goes. Your personal coach. And here's the thing. This is the onboarding screen. Write your hydration, enter your weight and stuff. My weight is around 69 kilos and 171, 69 kilos, yeah, whatever. So yeah, next, how much days you're active. I'm a pretty active guy, calculating water, 3500 ml of water, looks great. Some of the premium screen. I haven't added functionality to this, but hopefully I'll be able to add it soon enough. I know it might not be successful, it might not get too many downloads, but here's the thing, I am not regretful. This will be something interesting. This will help me actually build the habit of drinking water. Some permissions here and bottom screen, and this is how it is working right now. Looking at this and got add. Yeah, I have to optimize some of the stuff. The functionality looks great, but it needs some kind of oomph to it. Hopefully it will be done by the end of this March. Some of the stuff has already been done. It needs a little bit of functionality, some overhaul, and I need to add some backend to actually store the values in the server. But this is the app, and hopefully I'll be able to release it soon enough. So I usually keep my to-do right here in the Android Studio itself, where I try to write down what I'm doing, what are the problems. So here's what I'm doing today. Make everything functional enough in the onboarding screens, and that will be some progress, So let's get started and let's try to do it. So here's the plan. By the end of this March, I'll try to release the app. I'll be able to make a simple MVP and release it. I know it's a bit much. 1 month to release an app, it might be a stressful thing to do, but let's try it, and hopefully it will be something amazing. Now the thing is that I was actually able to add my notifications, and let me quickly run my app and actually show you. App launches, my screen, flash screens. Let's enter some values. 172 x, 5 to 6 days of workout. Calculating your water intake, 3500 ml. I'll skip this. This is a permission to actually help me draw over other apps, right? So if I press on allow, I can see there is this my app. So most probably it will be seen as Mizu if you install it from Play Store. And now I have the permission to go through. And if I press on again allow, I will go through it. Reminder to drink water. This is a notification permission that I ask. If I allow, then it will allow me. If I say don't allow, a notification permission dialog box will pop up, and it will say, okay, you might have permanently denied it. Can you please go inside of your settings and actually grant it? If you say notification allowed, then I will have the notification access, and if I just dismiss the alert box, I will navigate to the login screen. Now this is what I've added right now. In the next video, I'll be trying to mess around with the login screen, sign up screens, and make them purely functional, and finally add backend somewhere down the line. That's the goal. For now, this is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this particular session with me, and if it added some real value to you, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.